Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for viewing all my episodes. Today we will see Little Millet Kutki or Samai Pulao. It is very healthy and tasty, rich in fiber, low in glycemic index, high in iron and minerals. It is also gluten free and it has lots of vitamins and minerals. It promotes your gut health and it is rich in proteins. And the people who are who cannot digest the gluten, it is very good food for them. It is tastier, healthier than your usual staple foods. This is a little millet or samai, you can say shamak also in Sanskrit it is called as. So we will prepare a pulao from these grains. You have to soak the little millet for at least 1 hour and then take onion, tomato, matar or flower, carrot, whichever vegetables you like. Then take a ghee or oil and put some mustard seeds, some chili as per your taste. Then add some onion and then peas and fry it well until the onion gets little brownish. Once the onion is well cooked, after that you can add matar or vegetables, carrot, flower, whichever vegetables you have. Then well cook it so that the vegetables will be well cooked. Once the matar is well fried, after that you have to add tomato in it. Again fry it. Tomato gives good taste. You have to keep water aside so that it will be warm and then you can put it directly in your millet so that millet will be well cooked. Now I am adding little millet which is soaked for 1 hour and then I will add the water. If one part is millet, then your water will be at least 3 parts so that millet will be well cooked. So well fry all the contents so that the excess water will be evaporated and the upma will be well cooked and it has separate grains which will look healthy and tasty. So here you can see that all the ingredients are well fried and then put little turmeric. Turmeric, you know that it is very healthy and tasty. If you want some more spice in your little millet upma or pulao, then add some cumin and coriander seed powder and pulao masala. You can also put raw masalas also while you are preparing tadka. Now our grains are well fried. After that I am adding water in it. Water is hot And now we'll mix it well so that all the vegetables and grains will be cooked together. And now put a lid on it. Keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now you can see that millet is well cooked. Water is also soaked. Some water is there, so I am again putting lid. Now the pulao is ready. You can see the beautiful grains which are separated and well cooked. The little millet is very tasty and it cooks like a rice only. It is not very hard to cook. So you must try little millet and you must add little millet in your regular recipe. Then you can add coriander leaves, and now you can see that the beautiful yellow and green color of upma and red color of tomato, very attractive pulao, and also very tasty and healthy. Once you prepare or cooked pulao in your family, then please comment and tell me how this upma tastes. So this is a little millet pulao. I will put some more additional thing, that grated coconut on it, and so healthy and tasty upma is ready. You can prepare such a pulao from other millets also. Shamak millet is there, Rajgira is there, Varai is there. From all the millets you can prepare such upma. So our tasty and healthy upma is ready. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a good day. I will come again with some healthy and tasty recipe. Thank you for watching.